Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this stunning farm set for sale in Tuscany. Check it out! Today we are in Manciano, in the province of Grosseto, in the southern part of Tuscany. This is a privileged location. We are close to the gorgeous seas of Monte Argentario, not far from the border with il Lazio, not to speak of the thermal springs of Saturnia and Vulci. Questo splendido casale è immerso nella bellissima campagna toscana e offre viste mozzafiato. La villa è circondata da 16 ettari di terreno che donano privacy e riservatezza all'immobile. The property is of recent construction. It was built in 2015 using and applying the most recent principle and techniques of bioconstruction. At the heart of the property, where we have this gorgeous infinity pool from which we can enjoy the beautiful view over the countryside. The pool is surrounded by the rich nature that the garden has to offer. It has its own travertino sunbathing area with wet bar and shower. And the pool, this 100 square meter pool, is embellished by a fountain. And on the opposite side is a fish pond with water lilies. This is the ideal spot, a true oasis where you can relax and cool off during the summer months. The main materials used during construction were reinforced cement and iron. This maintains a constant and pleasant temperature within the house all year round. This is an energy-efficient home. Apart from a constant temperature, it also has solar panels, and thanks to the large windows and skylights, you can take advantage of the natural light all day long. This 650 square meter casale is divided into 3 parts. There's the main villa, a lab and office, and an entertainment space or dépendance. Also part of the 16 hectares that surround this magnificent estate are 2.5 hectares of olive grove from which the property produces its own organic extra virgin olive oil, a fruit orchard, a tartufaia with chestnut trees, and the rest is dedicated to woodland, where in the more humid months you can find porcini mushrooms. As we enter, the first thing that we notice is the amount of natural light that comes in from these extensive French windows, from which we can enjoy both the view over the swimming pool and over the countryside. From the French windows, we can also access onto a terrace. The property has a common theme, which is that of the connection between the indoor spaces and the outdoors, creating one unique space. As you can see, thanks to this vertical garden that brings color and life to the room. Each room throughout the house has its own AC unit, and on the ground floor we also have a kitchen, which has a simple and linear design with lovely Vietri tiles in the backsplash, and thanks to the glass walls, the natural light just floods also that side of the floor. This home is not only an energy efficient property, but it is also a smart home, and it has a high-tech domotic system. But now, if you'll follow me, let's check out downstairs. We are on the lower floor where we have this multifunctional space. Here we have an entertainment area with pool table. Right behind it is an accent wall with tropical theme. That is always to maintain the concept of the indoors and the outdoors uniting. Adjacent to the entertainment area is a home fitness area that is perfectly equipped. So if you love doing exercise, you can do it whenever you want in the comfort of your own home. This space flows right into the wellness area. The wellness area features a sauna, a tub with jets, a lounge area, and a bathroom with rain shower. We're on the first floor and we are led straight into this bright living area. Also from this floor we can enjoy the vertical garden with central large banana tree. Thanks to the many windows also from this floor we can enjoy a view over the swimming pool. Here we are in this spacious living area that is embellished by a beautiful travertino fireplace and with a cozy TV area. This impressive skylight that lets in a lot of natural light can be automatically opened or closed according to one's needs. On this floor, we have 3 bedrooms. First of all is the master bedroom that looks onto the vertical garden and enjoys a view over the surrounding countryside. It has its own walk-in closet and master bathroom with shower and skylight. A beauty of this property is that you can enjoy a breathtaking view from any angle and from any side. On the opposite side of the hallway, we have a second double bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom, and the floor is completed by a smaller single room used as a kids' room at the moment and a bathroom that serves the floor. Here we are in a part adjacent to the main villa, which also enjoys the natural light and the beauty offered by this internal courtyard. And this part of the property features a lab, an office, and a bathroom. The farmstead operates in an environmentally sustainable manner and produces organic saffron, honey, extra virgin olive oil, and aromatic herbs. Here we are in the last section of the house. This is being used both as an entertainment space as well as a guest house. As you can see, it has its own dining and lounge area and a kitchenette. This floor is served also by a bathroom, and from the ground floor we can access the terrace with barbecue area or the kids' playground. Thanks to the spiral staircase, we can access the loft that is being used at the moment as a bedroom area. Also from this section of the house, we can enjoy a lot of natural light, but also a breathtaking view over the rich nature that surrounds the property. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this magnificent estate. And on that note, ciao!